Brian DeMambro here. One of the pleasures of being an antiquarian dealer is it gives me the freedom to just handle things that appeal to me, and for some reason I like this. This is issued by the Royal Nepal Airlines on the occasion of the coronation of their king in February of 1975. It's interesting little like souvenir pamphlet that they put out, and within it someone has clearly, someone must have gone to that or somehow flown on the airlines at this time, because there are a series of these postcards here that were issued just by the airlines, showing their various planes. That must be the single airline they own for the country, my guess would be at this date. In the 70s, it's difficult to imagine they owned more than one or two planes, but could be. I'm no expert on the history of Nepalese airlines, but my guess would be that there are not a whole lot of planes in for that country, given the fact that it was so difficult to get access to and visit for so many years. I don't think tourism was a huge factor prior to the 70s. Maybe, I don't know if the Beatles went there or not. Here is another little, from the same era, little pamphlet put out by them. The hotel was under construction, Yak and Yeti. Okay, there's a little small little color map. And let's just see here. There's some mountain ranges, and oh look, there we are. Hotel Shankar, like Ravi Shankar, the musician. And the final item here is this folding panoramic mountain profile view, mentioning Kathmandu, the road to Lhasa, Tibet. Here is Mount Everest, and this tells us here in different languages, basically namaste. Oh, look, Italian, German. And this lot relating to the Nepal Airlines is available online from me, Brian DeMambro.